fountain of youth isn't a miracle, but there are some ways of looking for it. The things we eat, our lifestyle, and habits can all affect our youth, both in health and skin. If you wish to keep yourself young for a long time, you will see 3 vitamins that can help you on this rejuvenating mission. You certainly have heard about vitamin D and its benefits, right? We even made a video about it. But have you heard about using vitamin D associated with vitamin K2? As you already know, vitamin D plays an important role in calcium metabolism in our body. Its deficiency causes rickets, a disease that weakens the bones. We also know how vitamin D benefits teeth. It also helps balance the immune system and hormones, controls the genetic mutations that cause cancer, and prevents degenerative diseases of the central nervous system, like dementia. But when combined with vitamin K2, vitamin D aids even more in bone strengthening by increasing bone mineral density, which is good for preventing osteoporosis. Vitamin K2 can be found in some foods, like collard greens, spinach, cauliflower, cucumber, cabbage, broccoli, asparagus, red and white meats, fish, eggs, milk and dairy, and fermented foods. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. The second vitamin that makes you younger is omega-3. Its anti-inflammatory effects help avoid bone loss during the aging process, also known as osteoporosis. Known as good fat, omega-3 aids in memory, weight loss, strengthens the immune system, prevents dry eyes, preserves the hearing, prevents some types of cancer, gives bone resistance, etc. It can be found in sardines, fish, and salmon, and can also be taken as a supplement. The third vitamin is folic acid, also known as folate, methylfolate, or vitamin B9. It is highly recommended for pregnant women. But did you know that folic acid is also important for rejuvenating? According to some recent studies, folic acid plays an important role in the formation of new skin cells, which is essential for the rejuvenating process. Also, folic acid contributes to fight and prevent dermatitis and helps recover the pigmentation of skin in cases of vitiligo. If you want to know more about this vitamin, watch the suggested video. Now that you know about these 3 powerful vitamins that can help you stay young and treat inflammations, talk to your doctor to learn how you can implement them in your life. If you feel pain or discomfort in your bones, seek a specialized doctor to help you and prescribe an adequate treatment for your case. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.